Okay. Good morning.
Early this morning.
We woke up and ran down outside. We just ran straight outside. But the sun was too much right there. Couldn't do it.
Monica, but look at
Mom,
What?
look at that.
Ew.
what did you do? You let me shoot?
Drool. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Don't worry.
Mommy. Okay. I was not exploding yet. It's better.
This might be the most rubber bands you ever put on one
Where is it?
watermelon.
On your shoe?
He's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. No.
Well, we don't want to be grossed out.
More. He's not grossed out. He's just learning.
It looks like Cooper is scratching his heel. It's not good.
Oh yeah, I forgot to ask Grandma if she gave him his medicine. If she needs help with that.
I thought there was something in my. Oh, I buckle a band. Wow. That's how good.
Do you need to make another pee-pee?
No.
Okay.
I hope this doesn't explode. My phone was gonna fall. At least. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
the table is looking a little bit. Ow.
It's better than being in the hot, blazing sun.
Mommy,
What?
I really don't think we should do it into this table.
We can go back there.
But we have to move the table.
It's the best you're gonna get this table. 'Cause it's a lot smaller.
No, Mom. Do not listen to me now. Mom.
Oh, you want to move the big table here? Is that what it is?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, what are you doing? You're taking too long.
What's wrong, baby?
You're taking too long. What are you doing?
I'm checking my text message. What's the matter?
You made me broke a rubber band. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong? Come on. You can go in and take a break if you
You
like.
You made me broke a rubber band.
Okay.
I know. I don't want to take a break.
Whatever you want to do.
Only take 6 rows. I heard something. Where's this coming from? Jeez. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I keep hearing sounds, but it should be the watermelon. And Mom,
Mm-hmm.
can you please put that there? Cause it's better if you do.
Can we please put what where?
Everything there. But we have to move the table.
You want to put this stuff on that big table again?
Ow. You,
Or you want to move the big table over here?
I want to move the big table over here. Yeah.
Ouch. Okay.
I think I just almost broke my thumb.
Oops.
Stretching it too hard.
That would be a problem.
The rubber bands are breaking up. That means that we have to get new rubber bands. This is why, Mom.
Okay.
That means that we have to go to Staples today.
Staples.
Wait, is that a leak? Is that leaking?
Use it.
It felt cold.
Could be leaking.
I don't think it is. But it just bubbles. It is. Exactly. Wait, is that Paul leaking?
Anything happening yet?
Help. It's stuck. Mom, why don't you like rotate it? Rotate it.
Want to?
Yeah, let's see if it's leaking.
This is a very heavy watermelon. I don't know if we're going to have enough rubber bands to even...
Oh, Mom, look.
What?
Look it.
Oh, it's starting to sweat a little bit. Look at that.
Look, because there's a hole happening.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, I broke a rubber band. That means I have to take it out.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on, but I hope this hopefully explodes. This might be a lot more easy to do.
Mm.
This might be. The one now looks different after we just rotate it.
Looks different now, yeah.
Like, look at the camera.
Looks better. You had a good idea, I guess.
Oh no, it looks different.
Different good or different bad?
I think good, maybe.
Okay.
Hey Mom,
What?
why is that part cracked?
Where?
Right here.
Uh-huh. Starting to come a little bit juice out of there. Starting.
But why is it cracked? That's not what's supposed to like do that.
I think it's cracking because you're putting so many watermelon, so many rubber bands on there.
But But Mom, this is like, like, now there's a hole in it. Like a small hole.
Oh, just wait till you see what happens after this. It's gonna be way more than a small hole.
No, but Mom.
What?
But I mean, like, I know, but that part isn't supposed to be real. It's gonna crack, though.
Exactly. It is anyway. Yeah. Okay. What? No, baby. That one's too small. What?
But Mom, there's rubber bands still.
Where?
It's under that.
Sure.
God, I shouldn't have. I was gonna get spy webs on me. At least I'm fine.
Youch.
Okay. This is. There were so many broken rubber bands which are breaking off, which means that they're too old. Can't move it.
It's a heavy one, isn't it?
Because it's a table's fault.
Mm.
It's not working that much.
Mm-hmm. Hunter. Oh my goodness.
Oh, hey Mom, watch this. Watch this.
Oh my god. It's like a bouncy rubber band ball.
Bouncy.
That's funny.
Okay, I put it back. Sorry that happened.
Okay.
I keep hearing some voices, and it could be the one though. And it hasn't even exploded. Whoa, these are big. That means those are gonna be easy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at these roll bands are gonna be easy.
Those are gonna be great.
It looks like they're wet and kind of weak. But that's weird.
I think it's gonna be good.
I guess. I'm not letting this take like 11,000 roll bands. I'm not gonna let this take like till I look up. presentation. It looks like there was watermelon juice.
Mm.
It's kind of gonna be easy. Ugh.
Big one.
What was that sound?
Ooh.
These notes keep coming from, and it should be the watermelon.
We're hearing some stuff.
It's a little bit. I don't know why I'm right here, because the camera cannot see me. Because even I'm trying to put rubber bands, but they can see me when I'm putting the rubber band.
Mm.
I'm feeling like to sit.
Can you bring your chair here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, what is that?
Mm. A fly.
I thought there was a bee. I keep getting scared. I really just heard that.
Okay, before it goes any further, why don't we take a little break? Go get some snacks.
I can just stay.
Chill. All that. Would you like to?
I'll just sit right here so they can see me.
Let's take a short break. And
Not,
then we'll come back for
not,
get a snack, check your
oh,
phone.
butterfly! Butterfly! Isn't your favorite?
Is it big?
Really? He keeps going away. I want him to come here.
I'm gonna go get a new coffee. Would you like to come inside too?
No thanks. You can just keep an eye on me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. People watch out. Don't let the watermelon explode. Okay. Let me just put some rubber bands, and then I'll tell you to help me. Mommy, can you help with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks. Like to put rubber bands.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, that's like a scary code. Help. Never mind. Wait, stop. Stop.
Okay.
Why do I keep hearing noises?
I hear that too.
But you're 42. Then how can you hear it if I'm 9?
Because I'm young at heart.
But you're 42, and I'm 9.
You're 9.
So I can hear everything.
Yes.
Suck. They're all stuck. Okay, stop. Okay. Wait. Stop. Why does this keep happening?
Why don't you take a 5-minute break and I'll keep going for you, okay?
Hold on. Don't make the ramen roti. If it cracks, then you have to show the crack to the camera, or I'll do it. I'm waiting.
Love it. That's a great idea.
Because some people don't do it, because that's stupid.
I know, they don't do it right. It's not our favorite way.
Huh.
Yeah.
Well, we do then.
That's what we're gonna do.
Wait, stop.
I heard that too, man. That's just a rubber band rolling.
I know, but what if it's gonna like...
You know when it will. You know. Because it starts to bulge on the sides.
No, let me just put one. My turn. Stuck. Okay, done.
Good work.
Oh my hand. Wait, same color. The blue one.
Same.
I'll do the rubber bands, and then you put the rubber bands. Wait, this is actually like switch sides.
Yeah, we switched sides, I think.
Like you do that, and I'll do this.
Yeah, we switched sides and we switched jobs.
I know, but the goal is to explore the watermelon.
That's the goal.
Like a job. RIP broken rubber band. They're now in the trash, so that's better. Get off. Oh. Rubber band fell. Here, I got it. Come on. Huh. You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need help.
I will. You too.
Okay.
Okay.
It's so hard to do. This Mommy. Mommy. You were supposed to tell me if you need help. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, another one. Mom, does it look different now?
Starting.
It's squeezing a lot.
Starting to squeeze.
This is strange. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let me rotate. Wait. Okay, that's good. Oh. Bruh. Yeah, easy.
Wow.
Wow. I think this is gonna take about 11,000 rubber bands till.
This one really is taking 11,000 rubber bands. Why is it taking so many?
Is it cracking? No, not that part is.
It's barely even doing anything yet.
I'm waiting for this to happen. Oh. For 5 seconds. Let's see. 0.4 seconds, I think.
Wow, Bob. Oh, well, like, you gotta stack it up, though.
0.3 seconds.
That's pretty fast.
0.3 seconds. That's how the fastest I can do. The heck? Wait, I think we should stop. I am like hearing noises.
No. We moved it. We moved it out of the sun. It was too bright over there.
Wait, stop.
Ah.
I'm trying to work it. Oh, this is gonna be rubber 3. This might be hard. Yeah, I think it's cracking. Oh my god. I am breaking it? My god. Well then, broke. Wait, it's my turn. Alright. Here. You're welcome.
Thank you. Why did you say you're welcome?
Because you didn't say thank you.
But how did you hear my thoughts, though?
Well, I had to give you some.
Did you hear my thoughts? Or no?
I think, yeah. Yeah. Please. I have to go to Staples if I want our rubber bands. And
Well, we got those bags there too, I guess. The whole bag. There's
Yeah.
still more there and right there. I don't know.
but this one now never exploded yet or cracked.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You could be right about that. Let's see. Let's find out. I'm
Di-
curious.
I think this is gonna take like 11,000 rubber bands.
Did you buy the world's biggest watermelon?
Oh yeah, there is one.
Mm. Ouch. Oh, goodness.
Oh man, you broke your floor. God,
Oh, God.
it's way too much.
Mm. 3 in a row.
Unless it was soft. What's this? Stuck. It's a broken piece.
Mm.
Wait, bubbles! Oh my god, bubbles!
Oh, we got some bubbles now, finally. Okay.
Oh
we're
my
finally
god,
getting
it's
somewhere.
actually cracking!
Where?
Cracking. You see it?
No.
Okay, yep, it is. Rotate it. Rotate it.
Rotate it, okay.
It's actually cracking. I see it. It's actually cracking so tiny. Come on, Mom. You can do it.
Wow, it's starting with little bits.
Come on. Hold on. Where's the crack? Where's the crack? Where is it? Mommy, where is it?
I don't know. I didn't see it the first time. It'll come back. I could just keep going. It'll show you where it's at.
Wait. Hold on. Where's the crack at? But I just saw it. Where is it? Well, only hears the birds.
He understands what the birds are saying.
Wait, what?
But yeah.
Where's the crack? Mommy, come back here.
Add some more. See if more
Oh.
pulls out.
Wait. Mommy, come here.
Okay.
Mommy, come here. Oh my god.
Okay.
It's actually... it's actually cracking. It's actually cracking.
Oh.
It's cracking. Oh, I need to show that crack.
Okay.
It's cracking so fast. Okay, yep. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Dude, this bubble's coming out. It's finally leaking, and this took till today. It's cracking so much. Mommy, come here. You have to look at it. Oh!
Grandma, you missed it. Wow, Boogie, that was incredible.
Oh my god, my phone is wet. My phone's wet.
I think that was the best one I've seen yet. It gave no signs.
It finally exploded.
That was so fun.
Okay, yep, my phone is cooked. I think my phone is cooked.